Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your passive earnings with eBay, full guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current eBay sales performance. Review your sales data to identify trends and patterns. Take note of which items are selling well and which are not. Research your competitors to understand their pricing strategies. Consider adjusting your prices to remain competitive. Optimize your listings with high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Utilize keywords that potential buyers are searching for. Make sure your titles are clear and descriptive. Check your shipping options and consider offering free shipping. Ensure your shipping times are reasonable to enhance customer satisfaction. Evaluate your store policies, such as return and payment policies. Communicate clearly with your customers to build trust and reliability. Encourage buyers to leave feedback to establish credibility. Experiment with eBay promotions and discounts to attract more buyers. Utilize eBay's marketing tools to reach a wider audience. Post your items at optimal times based on eBay traffic trends. Consider offering bundle deals to increase average order value. Explore seasonal trends to capitalize on peak buying times. Investigate eBay's promoted listings feature for increased visibility. Stay updated with eBay's policy changes and market trends. Adjust your strategy based on feedback and performance metrics. Continuously monitor your listings and tweak them for better performance. Engage with eBay community forums for insights and advice. Network with other sellers to share tips and tricks. Keep a close eye on your profit margins to ensure they remain healthy. Review and refine your approach regularly to sustain growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.